Okay. Are you ready, Sudiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, day 3, this is addition of a double digit with another double digit. Process is same. What you should do, you should go to the left side extreme position. Sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digits here?
10.
10. We should check next place, carrying or non-carrying.
Carrying.
So we should add 1 to this 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. 9 and 3. What is the end number of 9 and 3?
2. 2.
2. Very good. 1, 1, 2 is the answer. Next, coming to this problem, go to left side extreme position. Sum of the digits is?
Ma'am, 8.
Very good. Next digits carrying or non-carrying?
Ma'am, non-carrying.
So no need to add anything. Directly write down 8. 5 and 3 end number is?
8, ma'am.
Very good. Next, coming to this problem, go to left side extreme position. Sum of the digits is?
8.
Very good. Next digits are carrying or non-carrying?
Non-carrying.
So no need to add anything. Directly write down 8. End number of 4 and 4 is 8. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are adding a 6-digit number with another 6-digit number in Vedic Maths addition. Okay. Steps are same. You should always go to the left side extreme position. Here sum of the digits is 3 plus 1, 4. We should check the next place, carrying or non-carrying.
I'm non-carrying.
So no need to add anything. Directly write down 4 here. Now 5 plus 2, end number is 7. Next digits are carrying or non-carrying.
Carrying.
So 7 plus 1 becomes 8.
8.
6 plus 1 and 6 plus 5, end number is
1.
1. Next digits carrying or non-carrying.
Carrying.
So it becomes 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 6, end number is
0.
next digits are.
Carrying.
So 0 plus 1, 1. 5 plus 8, end number is
3.
next digits are.
Carrying.
So 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 7, end number is?
2.
Very good. I will explain one more problem. Yeah. Same steps, go to the left side extreme position. Here sum of the digits is?
7.
Next digits are carrying or non-carrying?
Non-carrying.
So no need to add anything. Directly write down 7. 6 and 1, end number is?
7.
Next digits.
Carrying.
So it becomes 8. Next 7 and 6, end number is?
3.
Next digits.
Ma'am, non-carrying.
Shall I write down 3 here?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Because 4 plus 5 is 9. If the next digits are carrying, 9 plus 1 again 10. We have to not do like that. We have to take 0 and add plus 1.
Yes, very good. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 6 and 7, end number is 3. Next digits are carrying. So it becomes 3 plus 1, 4. 6 and 4, end number is 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Day 4, addition of a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. Steps are same. We should go to the left side extreme position. Sum of the digits is 11. Next digits are non-carrying. So we need not add anything. Directly write down 11 here. 2 plus 1, n number is 3. Next digits are carrying. So it becomes 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 6, n number is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here also go to left side extreme position. Sum of the digits is 3. Next digits are non-carrying, so no need to add anything. Directly write down 3. Next digits are carrying, so 4 plus 1 becomes 5. 5 plus 6, n number is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I going faster?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I say slowly?
Ma'am?
Am I going faster?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you should go to the left side.
Ma'am, page number 9 is for homework.
Yes, yes. Every day 2 pages will be there. 1 page classwork, 1 page homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See here, sum of the digits is 3. Next digits are non-carrying. No need to add anything. Directly write down 3 here. Now, n number of 3 and 2 is 5. Next digits are non-carrying. So, 5 only. 5 and 3 n number is 8. Is it clear till now?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will explain the special case problems. Okay, special case is like if you do it in the normal way, you will get the wrong answer. We will see when it becomes a special case. Okay, here sum of the digits is 2. So, last Rita, are you doing? Okay, here next digits are non-carrying, right? 9 and 0 sum is 9 only, non-carrying. But whenever you get the sum as 9, whenever you get the sum as 9 in non-carrying digits, you should check one more place. You should check one more place. If it is carrying 9 and 1, carrying or non-carrying,
Carrying, ma'am.
then you should add 1 to the left side position. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Wherever you get the sum as 9, keep a 0 here. 9 and 1 end number is 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain few more problems. Very, very important special case additions. See here. When we call it as special case, wherever you get the sum as 9, 9, we call it as special case. Okay, see here, should go to left side extreme position. Here sum of the digits is,
3.
next digits are,
Next digits are non-carrying.
non-carrying, but the sum is 9. So it comes under
Yes, ma'am.
special case. So we should check one more place. Here also sum is 9. So we should check one more place. What about this place? Carrying or non-carrying?
Ma'am, non-carrying.
So, no need to add anything. Directly write down 3 here. 3 plus 6, n number is 9. 9 plus 0, n number is 9. 2 and 3, 5. That's it. Got it? If you get the next digits as non-carrying, no need to do anything. If they are carrying, then what you should do? Wherever you get the sum as 9, keep a 0. Wherever you have, you should add 1 to the left side position of that 9. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear? Shall I explain one more problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, 4, 478, 329. See here, left side extreme position, sum of the digits is 7. Next digits are non-carrying, but the sum is 9. So check one more place. Carrying or non-carrying?
Ma'am, carrying.
So what should I do now?
Ma'am, we have to add 1 to the 7.
Very good. Next.
Next, in place of 9, we have to keep 0.
Very good. 8 and 9. N number is?
7.
Excellent, Nana. You understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I explain one more problem?
Yes, ma'am.